MeghalayaPost.news.
Komisi benta ban penkubor ban aila di kikun samla jung thai ribhoi ban yashim benta ki program bapher ban yo ki jing start kham tam ban long kinong yalam ka office jong district sport officer ribhoi district kala penlong ka program ka ba ars ni lenter ka bla tep kum ka third district level youth exchange program khathong jong ka program kalong ban kenteu ka sap nong yalam bat ka jing ang no jung ki samla halor ka phang today's youth tomorrow's leader had district library ribhoi ya kan ka program la penkut bat penhap perdam tagasni da ka jingwan shimentalang ba meral bonds im kum kongsan harangkat ba Bobby El Nongbet district sport officer ribhoi lembat ki weipat kinong lam kathan bat ki khon samla ni ki block paper lawan bani shimenta di ki samla ki bahap ka arta ka bakhat nyo hodu ap khondai snam na ki southly ki block bakan thobe ko umling umsning jirang bat bhoi rembong kumjuru ki samla puli na ribhoi college ribhoi sinat college balawan college bat ki weipat hakani ka program ka ba arsngi la penlong ki jing ko paper kentup ya ka shat tan rai ka jing ko broi ka jing ko tho poetry ka jing thu khana ka jing Kren Paidbah halor ki phang paper ka jing pen i ki sap bat ki wei ki nong job na kini ki jing ko ki la yo pryang ru ya ki khusnam bat na kaliang ko office DSO kala jed i kato kani ki samla ban mikmat na ka district shaka state level arngot ki samla ki la sha jed ru ban ne chimenta bari hakari Indonesia.
So last year also I was attending this program. It very helpful for me, and because of this program also it little bit changed my life. At the beginning, my life I don't know anything how to do, how to perform, how to stand on the stage. But because of this youth exchange program, it also helped me to a creative person, to confidence, to come forward to speak to myself and to introduce. And because of this program also, I have been selected also to the national youth exposure, and now the next exposure to international. So I'm so grateful to thanks for the sport.
And it also gives us opportunity to showcase our talents, and it also helps us to overcome our fears and many more, sir.
From this program, we get a lot of opportunity. We get a platform, sir, to showcase our talents, to showcase our skills, our ability. And from this program, I think we should organize like this program like every year, because the youth of this state, it needs like this program so that they can go for a further competition like in state levels, national levels, and so on. So we are so grateful to be the youth from this from this ribhoi, that we get a lot of opportunity, because it uplifts us as individuals. It gives us opportunities like we the youths that today's we need.
To the international level. We are very happy to announce our district sports officer yesterday. During his speech, he has enlightened you all about our youth program, but I just want sir to hear it again. Two of our youth, sir, they have been selected this year to participate in the youth exchange international level, namely Kong Anizalin Lindo and Mr. Bante Umba. They will be leaving for Indonesia in the next month for this international exposure. So we are very happy that we have selected these two youths from this kind of a program. And just to let you know that we had these 2 beautiful days. So we started yesterday. We had 9 competitions. We didn't take a break. We were having one competition after another. The youths, I don't know whether they died or not, but we can see the energy in them. They showed a lot of interest. They are very smart, active. And the best part that we see from them, sir, is that they stand up, and when we ask them if you have any question, they really stand up and ask a question. They show their interest in this. Thank you all, and I want sir to know that yes, we have that kind of a youth here in Ribhoi. And we also have a science mela, which was conducted this morning. 5 schools participated in the science mela. And sir, I would like to invite you to have a look at the science project after this program. Then we had 3 very wonderful sessions. We had one session with Mr. Eddie Bosco. He talks a lot about trials over what is that? What is the topic? Turning trials into triumph. He was once upon a time as a youth who was succumbed to so many things as a youth, but he came out and he shared with all our youths about his lifestyle and how to overcome trials, and definitely that has benefited our youths. We also have all the youths coming from Bherimbong, Snake, Ling, and then Mohati, and then we have from Jirang. Then we have the 3 colleges, Malawan College, Riboy College, and Riboy Senior College. They're all here participating with us. We have a total of nearly 200 participants. We are very happy indeed that they show interest. We have 14 judges from yesterday to today, 14 judges, 1 resource person, and then we have a wonderful quiz just now from a very experienced quiz master, which really, I think, do you feel that quiz was really interesting? Yes. Did you learn from that? Yes. Would you love to have another kind of a quiz next year? Yes. Yes, sure, of course. So these are the things that we have done from yesterday till today.
I would like to share about experiences that I have been through in the past. Samla Sankrino, she has shared the experience about before she don't have the confidence to speak. I've been through this kind of experience before. When I was not in school, in college. Can you imagine? When I was in college in St. Edmunds, when we during college week, I was shivering like anything on the stage where I could not be able to speak because I'm not used to. I'm very unfortunate before I have not experienced many of this kind of program, youth exchange program, where you will have opportunity to express yourself and to perform on the stage. It's not easy. Nowadays we have seen kids, they have been taught in school how to perform, how to dance, how to sing, how to perform any skits or any drama. And it is a good sign where youth nowadays, they have come up with different ideas. Myself also, as I have told you in the beginning, I'm the person who is very shy. They call it a stage frightened. You're frightened to go to the stage and speak. It is not easy. But at the end of the day, when you keep on practicing yourself, because I remember before the closing, the grand finale of the college week, one day before that, where we have to give a speech, a vote of thanks. At home, I remember, where I was still on a rented house, that time in Shillong, in Jayao, where the whole night I practiced how to speak, spelling that by heart. But Kyiuh, but that is the time where I have do away with this kind of that I am afraid of to speak, to go on the stage and all.
meghalayapost.news